Okay, let's continue to part 2. And what I wanted to tell you is that they really improved seeking. For example, if you're seeking something, it's much easier now to select the time more precisely, and it's more responsive. This is also wider, so it's easier to tap and select. This is a very welcome feature because, for example, if you are in a car or somewhere and just you quickly want to seek somewhere, it's kind of hard to hit those very narrow seek bars. But this one is really good, and it's also responsive and quite precise. Anyways, when we're playing or even when we're paused, you get your controls in the status bar. When you tap here, it will take you to your music, and it doesn't matter where you are. Like this, takes you back to your music. And this is a music widget. You can pause, play, and you also get this little seek bar here and the title. You also get cover art for the songs that have cover art. Okay, let's tap here. Yeah, and this is what I wanted to tell you. A little bit strange here. For example, now we are in now playing view, right? And when you tap on the widget, it takes you back into the list of albums or songs or whatever. I think this is a little bit inconvenient, because maybe I want to just quickly tap and just change change the position of the song. So this is I don't know, it's a personal preference probably, so it's the same thing from the status bar. Tap here. Oh, actually from the status bar it seems to work. So didn't work a couple of minutes ago. Yeah, so that's nice. From here you go into the list, and if you're now playing and you go from the status bar, you go into the now playing. So that's convenient, I say. That's very nice. Let's see if it takes you to now playing when the music is paused. Yeah, so it always takes you to now playing from the status bar, which is great. But yeah, there is no search function, unfortunately, which is quite useful. What else do I tell you? Let's go into the gallery. The movie controls are, I think, the same as they were before. It's just nothing changed. They are still quite easy to use, easy and precise. So you can go to the exact second you want. This is great. But the music that they improved is really great. I like that. So now, I think, one thing I wanted to mention is it would have been nice if music controls had actually play, pause, next and previous song in the status bar. Unfortunately, it doesn't have. And I know Android hasn't. That's a really, really very, very useful, little feature. Now, let's talk what matters the most about Nokia N8. Let's talk the camera. The camera interface has changed. Oops, sorry, wrong button. Here. The camera interface has changed. The functionality is the same, just as far as the settings go. What's changed is in Nokia Belle you get 30 frames per second recording, and you also get an autofocus when you are recording a video. Here's a close-up. Previously you could have this on Nokia Belle, but you had to download a separate update. But now it's built in, so autofocus, macro video, and 30 frames per second. Now the other difference is that I noticed is, for example, when you're recording a video, right? You get a timer, but in the Nokia Ana you used to get like a total time the camera could record, and that's gone now. You only get like just a timer, not how much time you have left to record. This little icon here means that the video stabilization is on. You can pause and stop the video. If the video is paused, by the way, much like pretty much all the other Symbian phones, in 5 minutes it will auto stop. So that's, frankly, I don't like that very much. I think if it's paused, it should be paused. The camera shortcut here. Go here. The camera shortcut to pinch and change the resolution is present. I'm sorry about this. Just as you see here, and if you pinch it, it switches into a wide picture mode. So I'm sorry I can't. I'm holding a camera, so can't show you exactly how it is. And one other thing. Some people said that, not some people, but just for example, when you used to take macro shots, macro video shots, when the camera used to focus or try to refocus, it used to give the sound like tuck 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 tuck. The thing is, this is still present here. Some people have said that this was gone. Those people that had Nokia Belle, like a leaked version, that this was gone. But no, unfortunately, this the shutter, focusing sound is still present. So yeah, that's unfortunate. Anyway, now another thing, another new change is that, for example, when you take pictures and videos, previously when you used to connect your Nokia to your computer, they were located in your images and videos folder. Now they are not there anymore. And the strange thing is, even in here, when you tap on details, the location is, there's no location. So this got me confused for a minute or two. And the same thing goes for pictures, the same thing goes for videos, no location. Now the thing is that all of the videos and pictures get saved into a new folder. It's DCIM folder, if I'm not mistaken. Just like a typical camera. I'll show you now. Just let me connect this. Yeah, I also wanted to show you another thing here. Okay, now we are connected. When you connect, in the status bar you get notification that you are connected with a USB. And this is what I wanted to show you. What's changed in the Nokia Belle is, for example, when you tap on the Wi-Fi, right, you get all this Wi-Fi list and everything, and when you tap back, it will take you back to where you were previously. For example, you are in contacts, right? It brings it down, you go into Wi-Fi, you do your own thing, you search, whatever, you tap back, and you are back in contacts. I like that. Previously, as I recall, in Nokia Ana, when you tapped back, you used to, get taken back into the, settings, just the higher menus and menus and menus. This now just, just quickly, you can do your thing, and the same thing is in the player. Oh, unfortunately, I have a USB connected, so just can't show you. Let's show you in something else. For example, we can switch to Nokia OviSuite, right? We switch to Nokia OviSuite, we tap back, and we get taken back where we were. Let me show you in the contacts here. Go back to mass storage mode. Okay, it's active now. We tap back and we are back in contacts. You don't get taken out of your application. This is great. So let's show you in the Windows here. Let's open my computer. Okay, this is where I want. This is where it used to save pictures and videos previously. Videos and images into images. Now it all gets saved into this DCMI. So here, all the videos, all the pictures get saved here. Just to let you know, just if you try to, just if you don't, because I was trying to find my videos and images and I couldn't find them anywhere, so just in case you get lost as well. So I think this is pretty much it, pretty much all I wanted to tell you about this new Nokia update. I would recommend you to go ahead and update it because it looks very nice. Just I think Nokia improved the UI. It's very responsive. I like this new bar. It adds into consistency. Almost all the applications got updated. I say all the applications, like I said. Sorry about that. The Maps application has this bar. Oops, let me disconnect this. Okay. The Maps application is pretty much the same, just this bar, this new Nokia Belle UI. Other than that, all the functionality, everything is the same. And gallery is responsive. Everything is responsive. I wouldn't say it's slow. The pinch to zoom is a little bit laggy, and the first time you open an image, you see it's just resolves a little bit slower, like this. No, this I already did. But anyway, when you open up an image, it just takes a little bit time to just adjust. Pinching and zooming is fine. It's not great, but it's pretty good, pretty responsive. Sorry, this I have the sensor off. Let me show you settings here. Settings, connectivity, phone, sensor, auto rotate on, and unfortunately it only rotates to one side, much like previous Nokias. And why doesn't it rotate? Sorry about this, I just got this update myself, just trying to figure it out. Anyway, I'm going to figure it out in part 3, and I'll talk to you some more.